Travis Kalanick, the co-founder of Uber, has just raised an incredible $1.7 billion for a new company called Atoms. This isn't just a comeback story. It's the culmination of a vision he's been chasing for 16 years. His goal is to digitize the physical world, controlling it entirely with software. Uber was just the first step, and now it seems the market is finally catching up to his ambition. The physical AI market is projected to be worth $430 billion by 2030. Just one part of that, autonomous mining trucks, is expected to become a $57 billion industry. So, how exactly does he plan to build this future? Kalanick sees the physical world as one giant computer. In his analogy, manufacturing acts as the CPU, real estate is the storage, and transportation is the network connecting everything. This isn't about building a single specialized robot. It's about creating a unified operating system for the physical world. His method is straightforward. Use sensors to understand the current state, apply AI to predict what happens next, and then use automation to control the final outcome. Think back to Uber, where drivers' phones acted as early sensors, reading traffic patterns in real time. Atoms applies that very same framework to industries that software has barely touched. But this grand vision didn't just appear overnight. Kalanick's journey to Atoms has been a long one, starting with Uber back in 2010. He always believed the physical world could be controlled by software. But after being forced out of Uber in 2017, he didn't just disappear. Instead, he went underground, quietly building a company called CloudKitchens in stealth mode for 8 years. On the surface, it looked like a ghost kitchen business. In reality, it was an Atoms-based computer for the food industry, controlling manufacturing, real estate, and logistics. Then, in March 2026, he rebranded CloudKitchens as Atoms and acquired Pronto AI, an autonomous mining haulage company. Just 4 months later, the $1.7 billion funding round confirmed his vision was finally ready for the spotlight. So what does this massive operation actually look like today? Atoms is not just one business. It's a portfolio company. It currently consists of 7 companies operating across 3 distinct industries, all working towards that single vision. In the food sector, you have CloudKitchens, Lab 37, Otter, Picnic, and ProFood. Food was the perfect proving ground because it's complex, capital-intensive, and generates real revenue. Next is mining, with Pronto AI already deploying autonomous haulage systems in real-world mines. A transport division is also marked as coming soon, likely focusing on autonomous vehicles or logistics robotics. The genius here is building an ecosystem where each company learns from the others, rather than trying to build one single perfect robot. If you find this story as fascinating as I do, please hit that subscribe button. We cover stories like this every week on Business Undercurrent. This entire portfolio is designed to prepare for the next big shift in technology. The timing for Atoms seems perfect, because AI is shifting its focus from language to the physical world. We are moving from simply predicting the next word in a sentence to understanding and controlling real-world objects and systems. This emerging physical AI market is projected to reach an incredible $430 billion by 2030. The autonomous mining truck sector alone is expected to become a $57 billion market by 2031, growing at 27% annually. This rapid growth is driven by a need to improve safety in dangerous jobs and address labor shortages. Kalanick believes Atoms will become the essential platform for this revolution, putting it in competition with major players like Boston Dynamics and Tesla. The massive $1.7 billion funding round is a huge vote of confidence in his vision. He says the ultimate goal is to achieve superhuman intelligence and efficiency, which he argues will create more jobs by making humans more productive. That's the bet. That's Atoms.